Tonight we are now learning more about a Texas girl swept away in flooding.
Crews discovered the 10-year-old's body today in the Houston area. The crews are saying that they used drones with thermal images along with search dogs to try to find her. Overnight it was scaled back due to another heavy thunderstorm.
Crews say now they're doing all they can to support the 10-year-old's family.
We have taken care of her as much as we could. Our hearts go out to Wilson's family. It is a difficult thing.
So much grief there. Multiple states are under flood watches still today.
And it covers parts of Texas all the way east to Mississippi.